Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by telling Logic which hardware to use and why that matters. Reliable input routing reduces dropped audio. First, open Preferences Audio and pick your interface and sample rate. Lower rates use less disk, but higher rates capture more detail. Once done, create a new project and add an audio track configured to the correct input. Make sure to enable low latency mode and set buffer to 128/256 samples so monitoring stays responsive while recording. You now prepare the track so the performance is captured cleanly and consistently. Arm the track and enable input monitoring, then perform a level check aiming for peaks near -6 dB to preserve headroom. Insert any needed channel processing. Use a gentle compressor to control dynamics and a noise gate if room noise is an issue. Understand these shape tone, but don't bake processing if you plan heavy edits. Once the chain is set, create a monitor mix that balances click track and backing audio so you feel locked in. You're ready to capture final takes and finalize the session. Hit record and consider cycle recording to capture multiple performances. Once complete, create a comp using quick swipe or collapse take folders to assemble the best parts. After comping, trim edges, add fades to prevent clicks, and use transient detection or flex time sparingly to tighten timing. When satisfied, bounce to WAV or AIF at your chosen sample rate. If something goes wrong, first check I/O routing, buffer size, and Mac OS audio permissions before troubleshooting further.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.